Alright, trimming bushy bushes in the beginning of summer time is real tricky. You have to be very careful. If you did not trim it during the winter time, which is usually November, December, January, maybe mid-February the latest, you didn't trim the tops, you shouldn't. Leave them alone. Or be real careful, only take a little bit off. But you can trim the sides a little, but you have to be very careful or you can end up with the dreaded dead. And I'll tell you, once they're dead, it's dead. And there's nothing to save it. So you have to be careful. So anyway, back to the plant. Yes, this is a Phototania here. But all the different bushes, you have to, if you want a clean line, you've got to be very, very minuscule on how much you're trimming back. If you have like a critter problem and you need to be able to see who's down there, you know, running around, you want to trim your base and keep it only about 2 feet high. That's probably your best bet. And we'll see the results in just a second. I'll show you. Right here's a great example of if you cut Phototanias too much, especially in hot weather. City gardeners usually do this. They cut these guys and the trees. You can see the damage on the trees. The heat just kills them. You can't trim in the summer. You just can't do it. Okay, so now we've done a little cleanup here. We can look down the row here. Nice and clean. Now we can see any predators that might be on the bottom, because the Admiral was saying there were some predators in the bottom. And well, there's a predator right there, but that's a dog. Anyway, I want you to do a good cleanup. I did not touch the top. I really am leery of touching the tops. It's a winter thing. That's my opinion. You know, a lot of them here, I don't touch the tops once it gets hot, because it just seems to lead to death and destruction. So, like I said, as you can see, there's 2 dead spots here. That's due to the Admiral. The Admiral had to do some cutting on there. That's why I do all the cutting now, because the Admiral wanted to cut. And she killed them. Killed them good. Killed all 3 of them. 4 of them, actually. So, yeah, you gotta be careful cutting these guys. But that's about it for the summer cleanup for bushes. Good luck. Works for me.